Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to watch TV without disturbing your partner because the volume is too loud, or you would like to listen to music on your non-compatible Bluetooth computer, then this video is for you. I'm going to be reviewing this USB 5.0 transmitter and receiver, and we'll be testing it with my TV and my computer. So if interested, please continue watching. If you like what you see, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and be well. Now let's get to the video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just recently picked up this USB Bluetooth receiver and transmitter. Unfortunately, they put the label on top of the picture, but we're going to review it and we're going to also give it a try and see how it sounds. I am going to connect it to my desktop because it's not Bluetooth compatible, and also I'm going to test it on my TV and we'll see how it's going to work. So let's check it out. But first, let's open it and let's see what's in the box. As we see, it came with a card. Also, we have the manual. On one side, it is the English language, and the other side is in a different language. And in the package, you will receive the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. You will need that to connect it to your TV if you want audio. And also it comes with a unit itself, that is the USB 5.0 transmitter and receiver. So now we're going to give it a test. I am going to connect it to my desktop. At the moment of this recording, I did not have Bluetooth compatible, and I still don't have Bluetooth compatibility on that computer on board, that is, but I'm going to see if it's going to work with this transmitter. I see that the blue light is on, and I see that it's paired with my headphones, so we're going to test the sound and see how it works. The connection is very simple. This is a plug and play device, and you don't need any drivers to connect it to your Windows 10 machine. So now let's take a listen to the audio. Perfect. This is the sound coming from the headphones. So it works. Awesome. This is cool. Now let's check out the TV setup. First, you will connect the 3.5 millimeter cable, audio cable, to the USB adapter. In case you would need a USB extension, in case there is some issues behind the TV, you will use that extension. Now you will connect the 3.5 to the TV, and now what I'm doing is connecting the USB extension to the USB transmitter adapter. Once that is plugged in, it will start pairing automatically, and here you can see it in the picture that it was paired to my Jabra Evolve 65 headphones. Now let's see if you can hear it. I'm wearing my headset. Or maybe here. Not sure if you can hear it, but the sound is coming through the headset, and the USB 5.0 transmitter is connected to the TV. So it's working. Okay, now let's do a recap here. So in terms of the connectivity, if you want to connect it to your TV, then all you have to do is take this end of the USB adapter and plug it into your TV. Now, If you see that there's a little conflict between the audio connectors in the back of the TV and where the USB is positioned, then you may want to get a USB extension cord. Okay, so you would connect this end to the TV, and then you will connect this end to the adapter, just like that. Now, to get the audio, then your TV must have a auxiliary output. So you will need to connect this end of the cable onto the back of the computer, or sorry, the back of the TV, and the other end will go into the USB transmitter. Also, you need to make sure that the button on the side of the USB adapter must be on the TX section. So I'm not sure if you can see it here, but right here there is a button. There's a button right here. The one that is pointing out now is the transmitter, and the one to the left of me will be the receiver. You will use the receiver if you want to try this in your car. But for the TV and the computer, you will need to leave it in the transmitter position. Okay, so this is how you connect it to your TV. Now, as far as the unit itself, it is just a standard generic USB transmitter. It is made of plastic. It's very, it's a budget-friendly unit or device. It has the buttons here in the center where you can use the up and down volume. Also, you can use the left and right to search for music or stations if you want to use it, or switch to songs if you want to use it in your car. And it's basically simple. It's a simple device, nothing much to it. It has a LED right here on the front, LED panel that you can use it to see when it's pairing and any other information as far as also the volume when you're going up and down. Now, one thing about this is that when you're using it with your TV, there might be a latency. There might be a little delay, very minor, very minor. And I believe it depends on the headphones that you're wearing, and also how far are you from your TV, so you will experience that little bit of latency. But to me, it's not a big deal. All I want to do is just watch TV, and do not disturb anybody. So this is the recap, and this is my review about this USB transmitter and receiver that I picked up on Amazon. The price is... I can't remember how much it was, but check it out on Amazon. This is budget friendly. That's the only reason I picked it up. And by no means this video is sponsored. So my opinions on this video are my own, and nobody's paying me for this. Okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and be well.